Welcome back, Township teachers. We hope you find this video helpful as we try to clarify and explain the journey of learning for secondary students for the 22-23 school year. Along the journey, we have pit stops where students will be able to practice learning, demonstrate understanding, recover learning, and then ultimately show progress and proficiency. The first part of the journey is where teaching, learning, practice, feedback, and formative assessments takes place. This is the day-to-day learning activities, including homework, classwork, quizzes, and minor assessments, where students really get a lot of practice at being able to grow in their skill development. The second stop is the summative assessment stage. This is where students will get the opportunity to certify the learning of critical skills as have been measured previously through formative measures and formative practice. The certifying learning stage is the summative assessment stage, where students will be offered the recovery of learning opportunity. That takes us to stop 3. This is the opportunity students will get to engage in recovery of learning activities only for summative assessments. The goal ultimately is to lead towards progress and proficiency. The next page shows that we have 2 buckets of grading categories and percentages. The first bucket is the supportive bucket at 30% of a student's grade. This would include all of the daily learning activities that will be used as practice towards progress. There can be a focus on feedback as well as grades, and sometimes feedback only. The summative bucket is 70% of a student's overall grade. This will be the pit stop along the journey for summative assessments so that we're measuring proficiency of target skills. This will give you the evidence to know that students are proficient, have mastered their learning, or are in need of recovery. Please know that traditionally in past practice, this might have been called the major assessment category, and this continues to be the category where students will get the opportunity to recover learning. We hope that you fully understand that we are here to support you on this journey, as well as you being on this journey with students. Please feel free to reach out to your building leaders or supervisors for questions. Thank you and have a wonderful year.